Okay, so right now they mentioned that PQRS is a trapezium. PQRS is a trapezium. And then TOU, which is here, TOU, and TPS, they are straight line. QR is parallel to OU. QR is parallel to OU. Find PSU. Okay, so let's try to strategize over here. In order to find this angle, I need to find this angle. Because if I know this angle, I can just take 180 degrees minus 32 minus this angle, I'll be able to find this one. Now, how are we going to find this angle? In order to find this angle, we need to find this angle. Okay, now take a look at this. This is parallel to this, which means that again this is an interior angle. This angle RUO, which is this angle, if you add to 68, it will form 180 degrees. Okay, so in order to find this angle RUO, so for right angle RUO, that will be 180 degrees minus 68, and that will give me 112 degrees. And the reason that you give is interior angle. Now, this is 112. Next portion, how are you going to find this angle, which is OUS? To find angle OUS, the total angle over here is 180 degrees. If total is 180 degrees, this is 112. How are we going to find this one? Just take the total minus 112. So, in order to find this angle OUS, it will be 180 degrees minus 112, giving us 68 degrees. And the reasoning for this will be angle on a straight line. Okay, if you want a shortcut, there's another shortcut. Do you realize that this 68 degrees is the same as this? This is because this is what you call oh my god, what is this angle? Opposite angles, corresponding angle. This is called corresponding angle. Corresponding angle states that if there's two sets of parallel lines, the angle at the top right will be the same as this angle. This is called corresponding angle. But just in case you all are not so well versed with corresponding angle, that's why I use two working to teach you all something that can be done in one working. Okay, so let's move on to see what we need to do. After we have found this 68, remember I told you that total angle in a triangle, which is this angle plus this angle plus this angle, is always 180 degrees. So in order to find this, just take 180 degrees minus 32 minus 68. So let's find angle PSU. PSU over here, angle PSU would be 180 minus 32 minus 68. Okay, and that will give me 80 degrees. Okay, and the reasoning should be angles in a triangle add up to 180 degrees, but actually you don't need to write that one. There are some that you need to write, like for example this, but this one you don't need to write, so no marks will be deducted. Okay, so for parents who are watching this, right, all these reasonings are actually very important for the student to write. There are some teachers who insist on it and some teacher who will close one eye, but it's much better if they learn this one. Okay, all these are the abbreviations, so it will not take so long for them to write that down. For some of the teachers, if you do not write down the reasoning and then you just write down the working, right, the teacher may minus 1 mark from you, so be careful. Alright, done.